Everyone, myself Prince Kumar. Today I will going to present my full stack, basically one application which is called the Taj Hotels and Management Systems. So basically, in which I have done to front end with React.js and back end with like Nodes and Express.js. And for database, I have used the MongoDB. And for JWT authentication, I have do the authentication parts. So basically, there is a lots of features in this website. So you can see the front end page. So one by one, I will go through the every pages and every sections in details. So basically, there is a first section, basically home sections. So you can see on the screen as well. So basically, there is a lots of features like users can see the hotels, lot of hotels like Taj Mahal hotels, like the Leela Palaces, the Rambagh Palaces. So another section like about section, you just can see the like abouts of the hotels, like there is 20 plus hotels, like 10k plus case states. These type of things you just can see like excellence, integrity, passion. And the other section is services sections. So what type of services like the hotels will provide the customers, like breakfast buffet, high speed wi-fi, valet parking, spa, infinite pool, fitness centers, 24/7 like services available. So these kinds of services mentioned in that. And another one is the services like blog. So here we can see the like blogs for like top 10 travel tips for your next luxury estate. We can still keep reading. There is lots of blogs here you can see. And for last, there is a contact section. We can reach to us through this, like write your full name, email address. And for message, you can send the message, the email will come to the hotel's owner. So these kinds of features like for front ends. And now I will go through like authentication parts. I will show like one by one authentication, like authentication through normal users, customers, cook, these type of things. So let's I have to do login. I already make my account, so I just log in. Yeah, you can see that I have booked like two hotels, like the Leela Palaces and the Taj Mahal hotels, and I have also gained like 2,450 points. Also, here you can see the my booking section. Like I have two hotels booked and saved in saved hotels. I have like the two hotels like Taj Mahal Palaces and Rambagh Palaces. In profile settings, like I can change it like passport, update my profiles from here. Like these kinds of features I have do. And one more thing, like in home page when I go, like I have to explore like Rambark palaces. Like I clicked here, so I have like check in, check out. Like per night, the cost will be 42,000. So I just check in, like date is 24th, and check out date will be 26th for like 2 nights stay. So now its cost will be 84,000, and like number of guests will be one. So here I clicked on like book now. So my book will be successfully. Now you can see like the Rambark Palaces hotel will be booked. Here we can also cancel like booking. Like click here, and the booking will be cancelled. So these kinds of features are accessed by the normal users. Now I will go through the authenticated through like one more thing. I will do authentication with the help of JWT authentications. Like in code, I will explain more about it. Now second, I will go through like admin, like the super admin, like how admin see their all the things, all details, like what types of things you can do. Like I can do logins. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you can see the like admin panel, like super admin panel, where admin can do multiple things like manage hotels, manage bookings, manage users, manage blogs. These kinds of things like admin will do. So here, first of all, admin can see like total hotels, like total number of hotels, like four, like total number of users will be users is 11, total bookings was three. So these kinds of things like admin will see like booked equal to two, cancelled equal to one. Like previous I cancel one hotels, so that's why so count one. So one by one I go through the all the features like for hotels. For here we can see that like admins can already there is four hotels mentioned here. We can add new hotels also. For here, add some names like hotels like A, B, C, location Kalyani, and prices like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like A, B, C, yeah, and description. So yeah, you can see the new hotels will be added like ABC in Kalyani. So I can also do like a deletion part, like I can delete the this one, delete the hotels. Yeah, see now the hotels will be deleted. So like, another part is like booking sections. So for now, like there is a two approve section, one will be cancels. So these kinds of things admin can see. For another thing, the user section, like number of users, like admin will see like total numbers of users, prints things like prints a. So these kinds of things admin do. One more things like it can also post new blogs also. From here it can post the new blogs. These kinds of features like it will do by the admins. So now I will move to the like coding parts. The first I go through like server parts. Like I follow the for backend, I follow the MVC structures. So basically in servers there is a lots of like files, controllers, middlewares, models, routers, env file, index.js files. So firstly I go through like controllers parts. So basically in which there is auth controller, hotel controllers, booking controllers, and big block controllers, user controllers, these kinds of controllers here. So I first went to auth controllers, in which you can see that I do the like registration user, register user, login user with J2T authentication, like with post, create, get routes. This kind of feature I written here. In like block controllers, I use the like basically CRUD operation for a block. Like admin can do the like create block, delete blocks. These kinds of the create, delete, updates, blocks. So second good things is like booking control system, in which I create the bookings, data validation, and price calculation. These things I have to like for getting. So for here I created like check-in, checkouts to calculate price, and for I implemented the get route as well as in hotel controller that JS. I will do many things here also. I create hotels, like get hotels, update and delete hotels. These kinds of routes are written here. So this is all about like controller sections. And second one is in like model sections, in which I'll write schema for every section, like blog JS, booking.js. I write schema in details. The second section is like routing sections, in which I have to write like auth routes for like authentications, here get, push, patch, or like basically crowd operations. For blog routes also same. Basically I do the make the routes like where I can do the crowd operation, get, put, patch. And second with the booking routes, the same thing I have done. Same for hotel routes also. The next things is like index.js. Basically it's have like a I use middleware like app.use. Basically, they the main things of the all, like backbone of the backend is written here in index.js. Now I move forward the front end things like in client parts. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, basically in client parts, you can see many things like index.html, package.json. In source folder, the main important folders in which that consist of components, context, hooks, pages, utensils, app.jsx, index.css, main.jsx, and index.html. So see, I one by one, I gone through everything. First, I gone through like app.jsx. Basically, the most important part in front end. So basically in app.jsx, basically it's responsible for wrap-ups application with auth context, like defining routes, applies protected routes. Also like auth provider I have used, like all routes are under that provide the security. In like package.json, all dependencies are available here. Now in components, there is a section like footer.js. I've written whole codes of the footer in here. In header.js, I written all the header part of the codes. In layout.jsons also you can see. In pages you can see like there is many sections here, like about section, blog sections, context section. Like all the main codes will be written here, like all codes was written here. Like in context section you can see all these things. So these kinds of like implementation I have done. So thank you very much. If any updates regarding, please share.